Am I the only one that didn't know what 0xc00007b even means? Turns out it's a classic Windows headache. But fixing it is way easier than it sounds. First, right-click the app or game that's giving you trouble, and select Run as Administrator. Sometimes that's all it takes. Still stuck? If it's a game, open your game launcher like Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This checks for missing or corrupted files. Next, make sure your Windows and graphics drivers are up to date. Just hit Settings, then Update and Security, and check for updates. Don't skip your graphics card's latest drivers either. Now, for the heavy hitter, open Command Prompt as Administrator and type sfc/scano. This scans and repairs corrupted system files. When it's done, restart your PC. And if you're still seeing that error, try reinstalling the app or running it in compatibility mode. Most times, one of these steps does the trick. Problem solved, back to gaming or working like a boss.